Welcome back to the Blessed to Travel YouTube channel. We're so glad you're here. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you more great content. Your support means the world to us, and we seriously couldn't do this without you. Let's get started. Tired of fumbling for your boarding pass? Imagine a world where your face is your ticket. Airports are gearing up for a major overhaul, ditching traditional boarding passes and check-in counters. Get ready for a revolution in air travel. Airports around the globe are preparing to eliminate traditional boarding passes and check-in procedures. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a complete transformation of how we experience air travel. Get ready for a future where your face is your passport.
Well, Clay, good morning to you. I'm wondering, who's in control of all of this data?
Great question.
Who is going to be the one that keeps the safety of all our deeply personal facial recognition data safe that matches to our credentials? It is what people are calling the biggest shakeup in the airline industry in at least 50 years. Airlines and airports doing away over the next 3 years with the check-in process, as well as scanning a boarding pass. That'll all go away. A biometric digital travel credential will be created, or you could use your smartphone. It's going to show your face to a scanner when you enter the airport, and boom, you're in, just like Clay was saying. And this is, this digital travel credential will carry everything. It'll have your passport on it. It'll have your driver's license on it. It'll have your ticket on it. And it'll also understand your flight information to know if you're in the right place at the right time. Well, this is expected to radically shorten the amount of time you need at the airport. But again, a lot of questions about who's going to be in control of this data.
This shift is fueled by cutting-edge biometric technology and a relentless pursuit of greater efficiency. The goal is simple: to streamline the passenger experience from curb to gate. Say goodbye to long lines and frantic searches for misplaced documents. The ultimate aim is to revolutionize airport navigation, making it faster, smoother, and less stressful. Imagine gliding through security and boarding your flight with ease. This is the promise of the boarding pass-free future. Facial recognition is the core biometric method driving this transformation. Forget paper tickets and digital scans. Your face becomes your primary identifier. This technology is poised to redefine how we interact with airports. Passengers will be identified via facial scans at various checkpoints throughout the airport. This includes check-in kiosks, security gates, and even boarding areas. The process is designed to be seamless and unobtrusive. This technology eliminates the need for physical documents like boarding passes and passports at many stages. It's a significant step towards a more streamlined and paperless travel experience. Imagine the convenience of simply walking through security. The implementation of facial recognition reduces congestion and accelerates passenger flow. This means shorter lines, less waiting, and a more efficient airport experience overall. Time is precious, and this technology aims to save you plenty of it. A boarding pass-free system offers a multitude of benefits for both passengers and airports. From enhanced convenience to optimized operations, the advantages are clear. This is more than just a technological upgrade. It's a complete rethinking of the travel process. Passengers will experience enhanced convenience as they no longer need to juggle multiple documents. Imagine the freedom of moving through the airport with just your face as your identifier. It's a game changer for frequent flyers and occasional travelers alike. Airports will see significant gains in operational efficiency, leading to smoother and faster processes. This means reduced wait times, optimized resource allocation, and a more streamlined overall experience. Efficiency is key in today's fast-paced world. Automation will lead to a reduction in staffing needs, freeing up resources for other critical areas. This allows airports to focus on improving customer service and enhancing the overall passenger experience. It's a win-win for everyone involved. The optimization of passenger flow within the airport will minimize bottlenecks and reduce congestion. This means less stress, shorter lines, and a more pleasant travel experience. Say goodbye to the chaos of crowded terminals. Minimizing delays is crucial, especially with increasing passenger volumes in the post-pandemic era. A boarding pass-free system can help airports handle the surge in travelers more efficiently. This ensures that flights stay on schedule and passengers reach their destinations on time. Data privacy and security are paramount concerns that must be addressed with utmost care. The collection and storage of biometric data raise significant ethical and practical questions. Trust is essential for the successful adoption of this technology. Robust measures are needed to protect sensitive biometric data from unauthorized access and misuse. This includes implementing advanced encryption techniques and strict access controls. The security of your personal information is non-negotiable. Preventing data breaches and misuse is essential to maintain public trust and confidence in the system. Regular security audits and penetration testing are crucial to identify and address vulnerabilities. Vigilance is key to protecting sensitive data. Passengers require assurance of responsible and secure data handling practices. Transparency and clear communication about data usage are crucial to building trust. People need to know how their data is being used and protected. Building trust is necessary to encourage widespread adoption of biometric identification systems. This requires open dialogue, clear policies, and a commitment to protecting passenger privacy. Trust is the foundation of any successful technology implementation. Significant investment in infrastructure is required to implement a boarding pass-free system. This includes upgrading existing systems and installing new biometric scanners. The cost of implementation can be substantial. Upgrading existing systems is a necessity to ensure compatibility with the new biometric technology. This can be a complex and time-consuming process, requiring careful planning and execution. Integration is key to a seamless transition. The installation of new biometric scanners throughout the airport is a major undertaking. This requires careful consideration of placement, security, and accessibility. The goal is to create a seamless and unobtrusive experience for passengers. Seamless integration with existing airline and border control systems is vital for the success of the boarding pass-free system. This requires collaboration and coordination between multiple stakeholders. Interoperability is essential for a smooth travel experience. Interoperability between different airports and airlines is essential to ensure a consistent experience for travelers. This requires the development of common standards and protocols. A unified approach is crucial for global adoption. Ensuring a smooth and consistent experience for travelers is a priority. This means providing clear instructions, offering assistance when needed, and addressing any concerns promptly. Customer service is paramount. The trend towards a boarding pass-free future is undeniable, with early adopters already experiencing the benefits. This is not just a futuristic fantasy, it's a rapidly approaching reality. The future of air travel is here. Biometric technology is rapidly evolving, becoming more sophisticated, affordable, and reliable. This makes it increasingly feasible for airports to implement boarding pass-free systems. Innovation is driving this transformation. Widespread adoption of these systems is expected in the coming years, transforming the airport experience for millions of travelers. Get ready for a future where your face is your passport to the world. The possibilities are endless. The airport experience will become faster and more efficient, reducing stress and improving overall satisfaction. This means more time to relax before your flight and less time spent waiting in line. Travel will become more enjoyable. The ultimate goal is a more enjoyable and seamless process for all travelers, regardless of their destination or airline. This is a vision of a future where air travel is a pleasure, not a chore. The focus is on enhancing the passenger experience. This shift represents a significant step towards a technologically advanced future for air travel. It's a future where innovation and efficiency combine to create a better experience for everyone. The journey is just beginning. The move towards a boarding pass-free airport experience is rapidly gaining momentum. What are your thoughts on this technological shift? Share your opinions in the comments below. Stay informed about the latest developments in air travel technology by subscribing to our channel. We'll keep you updated on the future of airports and the evolving travel landscape. Don't miss out on the latest news and insights. Are you ready to embrace the future of travel? Let us know if you're excited about the prospect of a boarding pass-free airport experience. Your feedback is valuable as we navigate this exciting transformation in air travel.